and simple algebra. So these are the very important mathematical tools: trigonometry, derivative, integration, limit, and algebra. These topics consume around 25 to 30 days, depending upon your performance. If your performance is very good, then it will wrap up within 20 days. If your performance is so and so, then it takes 25 to 30 days. Now, where these topics use? First of all, trigonometry used to find out height, distance, and variation with angle. Suppose you fire a projectile or fire at an angle of 60 degree, then its impact is different. And by the same manner, if you fire it with an angle of 45 degree, its impact is different. So trigonometry is used to find out the height and distance and variation in their relation with angle. Then is derivative. Derivative means to derive. To derive something from a function. For example, velocity. Velocity is displacement upon time. So this is easily obtained by derivative. Next is acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. So derivative is utilized to find out the direct relation between velocity and acceleration. In derivative function, the value of function always decreases. The value of function is always decreases. For example, if we have a function y is equal to x cubed, then its derivative will be 3x squared. Now its value is decreases from 3 to 1. Then its value decreases from 3 to 1. Now in integration, we will use the relation reciprocate to derivative. Integration is reciprocal of derivative. In this, function is reduces and in other the function is increases. So we will start with this mathematical tool from tomorrow onwards. For today, we will have a grade 9 topic, that is equation of motion. I hope you people remember this. Kiran, Prachi. So in equation of motion, we have three equations. First is V is equal to U plus AT. Other is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square is equal to 2A. So these are the equations. Now how to solve? Please write down side by side. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. So A, change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, cross multiply. At is equal to V minus U. V is equal to U plus. So this is the first equation of motion. Please note it down. Now next one is average velocity is V plus U divided by 2. And over here it is ds by t, displacement by time, V plus U by t. Or S is equal to V plus U into t by 2. From first equation, t is V minus U by. This is from the first equation of motion. So this will be S is equal to V plus U into V minus U divided by A 2A 2AS. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, which is the another equation of motion. Again, for the third equation, average velocity V plus U by 2 s by t v plus u by 2. From first equation, v is equal to u plus at. So equation will be s by t u plus at plus u by 2. 2u plus at divided by 2. Over here, s by t as it is. S by t 2u by 2 plus at by 2. S by t is equal to u plus at by 2. Cross multiply. S is equal to u plus at by 2 into t. So this is ut plus at square by 2. So the third equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus r. So this is the third equation of motion by using algebraical method. For the graphical method, I am going to send you my video on please go through video and please discuss if you have any kind of doubt related to it. From tomorrow, we will start with mathematical tool. The first concept is trigonometry. Uh, Before proceeding, please go through your grade 10 mathematics book so that it is easy to grab some advanced level. Thank you very much for today. That's all.